Hello and good evening. You are watching Vibes of India. I'm Deepal and with me is senior journalist Nandini.
Hi.
We are going to discuss the ongoing Congress convention in Gujarat and the extended Congress Working Committee meeting that was convened today in Ahmedabad. Interestingly, there was a resolution that was adopted today which emphasized that the Congress would continue to tread on the path shown by
Yes.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a proud son of the soil of Gujarat. Now, this has really irked the BJP.
Yes, absolutely. Because BJP has been saying that the Congress actually disowned Sardar Patel and it never followed his footsteps. But in a way, the Congress has always, I personally feel that it has always treaded the path shown by Sardar Patel. The only thing is that in between it forgot to mention his name as much as it was needed. And that was the time when the BJP grabbed the opportunity and snatched away.
Yes, the BJP successfully hijacked Sardar Patel and his legacy
Yeah.
from the Congress. But at the same time, we should not forget that it was the BJP which protested. The Congress submitted a proposal that the Ahmedabad International Airport should be named as the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport. It was the BJP that protested. There was another instance where Gujarat and especially the city we live in, Ahmedabad, we were very proud to have the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Cricket Stadium at Motera. Currently, the name of that stadium, which is the biggest cricket stadium in the world, is Narendra Modi Cricket Stadium. If the BJP is so much in awe of Sardar Patel's legacy, why does not it continue to preserve that?
And another instance is of Karamsad, where Sardar Patel spent quite, and that has been merged with Anand. And people of Karamsad have not even been asked as to whether is this the right decision or not.
The entire residents of Karamsad are protesting against the current BJP Gujarat government's decision of merging Karamsad with Anand. Right?
Yeah.
On one hand, the BJP wants to extravagantly spend 3,000 crores on erecting a statue for Sardar Patel. And on the other hand, it does not want even to retain a small hamlet called Karamsad, which had the Sardar Patel Museum, the house he grew up in, the school he went to.
Yeah.
So this duality of approach is really confusing, but it is equally confusing as to why is the BJP so irked and irritated that the Congress has adopted the resolution today, claiming, I would say claim, because Congress's consistency always remains a question to me, of treading the path shown by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Thank you for watching this short video and please share and subscribe to Vibes of India for similar videos. Thank you.
Thank you.